Let's make a keychain with my heart. We're going to use this pink yarn. We start by making the magic ring, and if you don't know how to make it, there's a video in the description. We now go up 3 chains. Next, we're going to make 3 treble crochets. A treble crochet is basically yarning over twice and working off the loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we will make 4 double crochets. You'll see that making a heart is very easy. 1, 2, 3. We already have our 4 double crochet. To wrap up this part, we will make a treble crochet. Now, to finish the second part, we'll just repeat the same steps in reverse. 4 double crochets and then 3 treble crochets. Since today's theme is love, I'm going to make a confession. I find the feeling of being in love incredible. And there's no feeling more beautiful than love, is there? But for now, I'll stick to crocheting. And you? Are you in love? Or have you ever been in love? Maybe this keychain is for someone special. I would really like to know. It's nice to hear a good romantic story. And if this heart is for someone special, try using their favorite color. It will make it even more special. We finish with 2 chains. Finish with a slip stitch into the magic ring. And we already have our hearts. We pulled the thread. Next, work 2 single crochets right into this space. Next, we are going to make 3 increases in a row. So 2 single crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. Now work 4 single crochets along the edge. For this part of the round, we'll work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet, all into the same stitch. Done! Now to finish up, we'll do the same thing on this side. Start with 4 single crochets, and then do 3 double crochet increases. Next, work 2 single crochets right into this space. To finish, just make a slip stitch. And here's my heart. We'll make another one the same way. We'll join the hearts together with slip stitches, but if you prefer, you can sew them with a needle. And that's it. I left this space because I want to put cotton here. You don't have to, it's your choice. We've now finished our heartfelt journey here with a very low note. And inside it's like mine, full of cotton. Now let's put the key ring on it. I don't even know if it's called a key ring, but let's put it on. And it's so cute. It's going to look beautiful in my bag.